Hello again. So I've seen a lot of similar comments on many of my videos. I sometimes got DM and even email asking me the same question, which is how do I join your online jam class? So I decided to make this very short video to answer that question in case you're also asking the same question. So straight to the point, I'm not particularly running an online jam class this year for a reason which I'm going to tell you, but there's something else which I've created which I believe will be genuinely helpful to you. So just give me 2 minutes and this video will be done. But first, why am I not running an online jam class this year? I think to best answer this question, I should give some context. So I've been running online jam class for the past 3 or 4 years, and it has been quite rewarding doing this. I've had many students score above 300, and we mostly run these classes on WhatsApp and Telegram. But there are a lot of challenges that come with this. Like, it's hard to run, it's like you have to repeat the same process over and over again. This effort could have been better utilized, which is why I'm working with my team to build an app, like a proper platform, which I'm going to tell you much about later. Like, I'm going to make another video dedicated to that. But so because we want to have enough time to actually build something that is going to be really and genuinely helpful, I had to like drop some of the things I do. So we're going to focus on some and do them very well. So that's the reason why 2025 I'll not be running an online jam class like I used to in the previous years. But I did something else that I believe is going to be helpful. I wrote a book. If you've ever found any of my videos helpful, I believe you're going to also find the book helpful. And the book has been structured. It was written with a great structure such that you could find anything that is relevant to the current state you are. Like, as your exam is approaching, that is like in a month's time, there's a section on the book that tells you what you can do as the exam is approaching. This book is a 5 year worth of knowledge. It's something that I wrote from my own experience and experience of other students that have done very well in the exam, just to make sure the experience is great for you, just to make sure that you are getting the best from this book. There's also an additional exclusive WhatsApp group the book is going to give you access to. So if you get the book, you also get a link to a group, to a WhatsApp group. And on the WhatsApp group, you can brainstorm with fellow JAMB candidates preparing for the same exam. You can learn, ask questions, and be inspired when you see others doing stuff. You're also going to be motivated to do stuff too. Also check in on the student on the group timely, just to ensure that they are doing what they're meant to be doing. For example, this coming Saturday, we are going to be having a session where we are going to address their concerns and what they can do. So this is going to be helpful to you. If this is not for me and I know what this whole thing is going to offer you, I'm definitely going to still recommend it. For the next 24 hours, the price is going to be reduced to 1,500. It was at 2,500. So if you are using the link to get it in the next 24 hours, you can get it for 1,500. And I hope to see you on the other side. I hope to do the best in my capacity to help you sail through this period of passing your exam. And yeah, see you on the other side.